The desert horizon glows in soft gold as a silver titan rests quietly against the evening light. Its shape is unlike anything you've seen before, part truck, part mansion, part dream. This is the future of travel, sculpted in motion and wrapped in warm amber glow. But the true story of this motorhome begins the moment you step inside. The door slides open to reveal the Eclipse Chamber, a bedroom where serenity meets innovation. The floating bed glows softly from beneath, framed in black with amber underlighting that mirrors the twilight sky. Smooth gray bedding and gold-edged pillows breathe quiet sophistication. Curved matte walls hide seamless storage, while a slim tinted window filters the last rays of sun. Above you, an amber arc of light runs across the ceiling like a slow sunrise. Every detail feels intentional, designed for calm and endless comfort. Beside it, the Goldline Pod, the private dressing suite, shines with muted perfection. A circular mirror floats before you, ringed with soft LED light, reflecting the black and gray palette around. The wardrobe glimmers with brushed gold handles, while a small ivory stool waits beneath the vanity. Light flows gently from a narrow side window, wrapping the room in quiet glow. This is not just where you prepare for the day, it's where style becomes ritual. From there, the amber flow deck opens, the lounge, a compact yet luxurious retreat of motion and balance. Gray leather sofas curve around a sleek black glass table trimmed in gold. Under each seat, a subtle glow paints the floor in soft reflections. The low ceiling carries a continuous amber light strip that bends like liquid fire, tracing every curve of the space. The air feels warm, intimate, cinematic. The Horizon Core Galley, the kitchen and dining suite, gleams ahead. A black marble countertop merges into champagne-lit cabinetry, the gold line under each cabinet pulsing gently. Two leather stools sit by a curved dining bar, perfectly placed for quiet meals or midnight talks. Every inch is practical yet poetic, beauty hidden inside function. Climb the short stair and step into the amber-focused chamber, the office pod designed for visionaries. A curved desk lined in gold trim holds a single screen, coffee mug, and notes: minimal, clean, powerful. The narrow window casts a soft golden hue across the ivory chair, and the silence inside feels like thought taking form. The Obsidian Glow Pod Bathroom redefines compact luxury. Black marble walls blend with gold fixtures, and a circular mirror emits a soft halo that dances across the glass shower. A small recessed tub, filled with warm water and light reflections, completes the space, every surface whispering calm. Just beyond it lies the round mini pool, a hidden sanctuary glowing with amber reflections. The water is warm, the edges lined with gold light, and as you sit within it, the motorhome hums gently, carrying you through silence, stars above, horizon ahead. For those who never skip a rhythm, the Core Motion cabin gym stands ready. A treadmill, compact bike, and dumbbell rack align beneath a mirrored wall, surrounded by amber LED lines that follow the beat of your steps. The air feels alive, charged with precision and calm power. And finally, at the front, the Onyx command deck, the cockpit of control and elegance. The matte black dashboard glows with golden lines that trace every curve. Dual digital displays shimmer softly, and the sculpted steering yoke gleams under low light. The ivory driver seat, stitched in gold, faces a panoramic tinted windshield that reflects both road and sky. Here, command feels like art. When this motorhome moves, it doesn't just travel, it transforms. Every curve, every tone, every light speaks the language of future luxury. It's not about reaching the destination. It's about owning the journey. Comment below and let us know which part of this futuristic motorhome amazed you the most. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you want to see more of the world's most luxurious and futuristic private motorhomes.